Welcome to the People's Guide on connecting your Google Workspace email. First, remember that these steps are a one-time setup per domain. Once done, all other users within the same domain can skip this process. Click this link to access your Google Workspace admin panel. Click Configure New App. Now head back to the previous People screen to locate and copy our client ID. This ID is essential to find our app within Google Workspace. Now, enter the client ID in the search field of Google Workspace and select Pipl.ai from the results. Proceed by selecting All Users and click Continue. Choose the Trusted setting, which authorizes the app to request access to Google data. Check Allow List for exemption from API access block, which would allow a more stable account connectivity with Pipl. Confirm your choice by clicking Finish. Having done that, return to Pipl. Here, click on Connect. From the list, select the specific email you wish to connect and click Allow. Congratulations! Your Google Workspace email is now successfully connected with Pipl. Should you need further assistance, our team is always here to help.